Hey, my name's Shannon and I am going to show you how to make a roller ball. So you're going to hear this roller bottle or roller ball and think, what the heck is that? It's just a really easy way to put on essential oils so you don't put them on your hands, you just roll them on. So a roller ball or roller bottle looks like this. It's just a glass tube and then it has a roller top on it and then a cap. And so what you need to make a roller bottle is some carrier oil, which is any sort of fatty oil. So your coconut oil or olive oil, grapeseed oil, any kind of fatty oil that you want to use that's in liquid form. And then your essential oils. And you can find recipes all over Pinterest, Facebook, the internet on different, like how many drops to carrier oil. I tend to do more drops, more oil, essential oil than carrier just because I'm not afraid of it. So, and I just really like the smell. And then if you're using roller bottles like the seasonal allergy one, which is lemon, lavender, peppermint, you want to have a lot of oil, essential oil in there to really be powerful. Okay, so I'm going to make actually one of my favorites, which is lime, lavender, and peppermint. It's just smells super fresh to me, and it's going to help me with some seasonal support too. So I'm going to do 10 drops of each essential oil. And so I'm going to put those in first, and then I just fill it up with carrier oil. So I'll just, I'm going to do lime, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of my lime, my lavender, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and if you get a few more, whatever, it's fine. And then finally the peppermint, which is kind of really low. I didn't realize that. So just pretend I put 10 drops of peppermint in there. Okay, so then you have your essential oil in there and you just want to like swirl it around and then just fill it up with carrier. So I really love the V6 from Young Living. It's a combination of a bunch of oils, and then you just take the pump and you just like squirt it in there, boom. Another way you can do it is you can get like coconut oil or whatever, and then you can get these little droppers, and that makes it easier to put it in too. Then you just take your roller and you just press it in there. You have to push hard and make sure it's sealed in there. And then you put your cap on, and then when you want to use it, just roll it on your wrist. You can roll it on your neck. Just know that if you're using citrus oils, they're photosensitive. So if you're going to be out in the sun, put it where the sun don't shine. Yeah, you could put it like, I don't know, just where your swimsuit covers it, or your feet, or just don't use citrus oils when you go out in the sun. There's tons of other oils you can use. Lastly, you want to label, because if you make a lot, then you need to know what's in it, and washi tape is a really, really great way to do that. And so you can get that from any craft store, but I will just like wrap the washi tape around. I'll get a Sharpie, and then I'll put my, LLP, and then I know what's in there, all right? That's how to make a roller bottle. Have fun. It's so much fun.